boy. Welcome back, guys. We got another video for you to check out. I'm helping Dustin again. We got these two trees. I got one red oak right here. It's pretty big. It's not tall, but it's definitely bushed out. Probably, oh, that's probably 40 inches right there, but it goes right up over the house. And then we got this little maple tree. There's a lot of wood in it, super spread out. We got to do them both today. I think I'm gonna try and set some rigging in this side to get this stuff to go this way. Business is starting to get a little bit better, but things have just been slow, man. I've been framing houses and doing whatever I can do to survive. I haven't been doing many trees, so there's a lot of climbing to do here. I think it's probably about a 6-hour climb for both, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna edit this video. I might kind of do like a faster edit so that we can get through it, or maybe I'll do like a part 1, part 2. But either way, you guys are coming along for the ride. It's gonna be a great day. So my saw keeps on cutting off. There's like a short up in here. When I'm pushing down, it's cutting off. I gotta take it apart because sooner or later it's gonna cut off when I'm making a big cut. But for today, we're just gonna have to let it roll. Tell you what, guys, my knees are killing me. I'm not sure how much longer I'm gonna be able to do this. Not because I don't want to, but just starting to hurt. And my neck, I'm having problems with my neck too. But we gonna keep rolling. Maybe one day I can just get a job editing videos. Because I love it so much. So if there's anybody watching that has any information about me doing that, please put something in the comments. Reach out to me. Because I ain't getting no younger. I'm 42 now. So, and I've been doing this since 2005. I don't know, man. I'm having trouble, like sometimes it hurts when I walk up and down the stairs at home. That's bad. These are essential. I've been so lucky all these years to haven't hurt myself, that now I feel that these are essential. They're a little big, actually. I wish they made kind of a smaller size. I got little arms though. I'm a little guy. Tell you what, these guys on these ropes, awesome. We got the first victim here. That's what I want. Yeah, I'm gonna take it all. No, I'm in the zone. I'm zoning out, bro. I'm zoning, bro. Everything's fine. That grill took a little jump. Maybe give me the 500. Maybe leave it and go up.
Maybe one more cut.
One more piece?
Yeah.
I'll come back around here. They had 3 ropes in the tree. Wasn't here 10 minutes, bud. Okay. Oh. Close, close, close. Go grab me a tagline. That black bag has our Samson. I mean, we're gonna need that rope back here anyway. Either way, it don't matter. It's just this limb's gonna lay down in that other limb. It's gonna mess me up. I need a tagline. I just need a little bit of a tag on it. Right. You can't always get it to do what you want. You can try sometimes. You can get what you need. Pull up on it when I cut it. Give me that rope, and then what I'm gonna do, and give me a tagline too. Before I do that, I think I need to address this one. Yeah. Yep. So, in that case, look, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go into this one, set a rope. I'm gonna just set a rope. I'm gonna drop this rope. I'm gonna go on that side, get that side down, work on that stuff. Let's leave this alone for a minute, bud. Let's get all this side off. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go ahead and set a rope while I'm here. I know, I see it. I'm gonna just do natural crotch. It's a lot of tree here. It's just a lot of spread out tree. You know? That's all it is. It's just spread out, man. That's all it is. It's just a little, it's like a little puzzle, you know? You gotta figure it out. There's 1,000 different ways to do it, but trying to do the best that we can. I don't want to cut this limb. Watch yourself. Where they at? You're alright right there. I thought you were on this side. Well, the pollen's out today. One more little piece. All right, good. Yeah, I see a pathway. I'm gonna feel it. All right, ready. Now see guys, I could cut that right now, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna put your lanyard around something before you cut it. Yeah, that limb will be fine. You know, we'll tagline that one. These we can bring this way, you know. But see, I'm gonna have all this out of the way. Look, that's gonna be gone. So when I do them, y'all can bring them that way. That was kind of the hole that I saw, you know. And then once I get all these off, that top, we can rope that top from the oak tree. That top I'm gonna have to rope from itself. That's a little bit up there. Hey, hold it tight! Nice job, buddy. I gotta change my battery. Forgot to hit record on that one, guys, but it come right off of there. Check out that view though. You got the Blue Ridge Mountains. That's Old Rag Mountain, Madison County. This is Culpeper County. This is where I grew up at. Can't believe I forgot to hit record. In the camera world, I guess that's like a sin, isn't it? Hey, the tree just told me it needs somebody to come up here and give it mouth to mouth. It said that it's not feeling too good now. Yeah, he's pretty good, man. The only thing that sucks is the language barrier. Oh, get in there, get in there. Okay. Baby, little. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey. he let it down too quick. It's okay, it's okay. The only reason I left this was because I knew I was gonna need it. I was like right here and I was getting ready to cut it, and then I was like, maybe I should wait. I knew this one was gonna take a while, man. Just because of the situation. I'm gonna cut it right there. Yeah. Come across there like a sailboat, bud. Go ahead, tie. Maybe pull. Oh, yeah, dude. Pull it. Oh, yeah, no good. No, yeah, mucho problema. Sí.
No, it's okay.
Ah, we can work on getting this down, Dustin, while we're waiting, okay? Okay.
Salsa.
The salsa.
It's hot.
No.
Hot. Ese de you?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It's hot, buddy.
They're good tortillas.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, boy. Thank you, buddy.
Very good, man.
Ocho bueno.
That'll
Maybe
blush.
2 hours.
Yeah. That'll blush.
A lot of birds.
Yeah. And we don't come chip it. Tomorrow.
No, he coming chipper.
Oh?
Yeah, ahora. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. That's a plan for you.
Yeah. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Hey, you climb at 650?
Mm-hmm.
Dos? 500? No?
Like a 2, 3?
Uh-huh.
No, maybe.
Maybe 7?
Yeah.
750? 8?
Hey.
Yeah, me cheapy.
Loop everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Maybe one or two out back.
Yeah.
Maybe. I'm gonna put my pulley in the middle.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful day. Ow! Woo! Yes, sir. Gentlemen, I'm getting too old for this. What say you, Dave from Kentucky? I think it's time to retire. Or Rick Stafford, what do you think, bud? Yeah, I think I'm getting too old for this, fellas. Well, guys, we got it all done. I had to leave early yesterday to go take my son to soccer practice, but Dustin failed this last piece, came over without a hitch. They still got to clean up a little bit, but we got it all down. Whew, that was a lot of climbing. Anyway, thanks for all your support. If you guys are finding value in this content and you're new to the channel, please subscribe, leave something in the comments. But that's all we got for this project, so we'll catch you guys on the next one.